First position. Nice pass to. Bad pass. Extremos to Gonabe. Pick. Good play. Cyrus for 2 points. Diri nangingit sa. Bohol pull up jump. Short ball. Gonabe to Jairus. Yuri step in and out. Wala. Rebound Gonabe. May kasamang foul. First one. Basket. Junior Liberto Bohol to Bospens. Basket. Abuda to Trimos para 3. Wala po mga idol. Nestor. Basket. Fire ato counted. Bawi la. Ano naman chika. Nestor to nice. May kasamang foul. Final throw. Counted. Jairus to Extremos. Back to Nestor. Wala. Second chance. Wala. Pa rin. Malas. Bospens to Junior Lever. Basket. Sa Gonabe. Bospens to follow up basket by Junior Lever. Ha? Pulis iton. Kan balido iton. Kan Nestor balido. Junior Lever attacking. May kasamang pass. First basket. De. Ayaw nala kay counted na. Jairus to Extremos. Nice pass. Wala na naman. Alat mo boy. Junior Lever on the way to the basket. Gonabe, nicely up, wala. Jairus for the putback. Bohol to Junior Lever, back shot, wala. Oy, insurance, Extremos, 7-7. Luka, don't check number, counted. Post. To Nestor, oy, sublime. Good. Counted. Ginausa. Gonabe. To Jairus is stealing by Mical Gonzalez. Mical to Bohol. Up, lumabas ang bola. Step back, pull up. Counted, bank shot. Extremos to Abuda. Bank shot. Junior Lever up and under. May kasamang foul. First one, counted. Final throw. Sige, kasulod ka mo. To Nestor Balido, number 15, attacking. Bank shot, wala. Stealing by Bohol. Bospens to Junior Lever, counted. Nestor Balido, pull up. Wala, rebound. Jairus, second chance. May kasamang foul na. First one, counted. Aton bench player. Atat na atat. Mga seryoso yan, mga idol. Gonzalez, floater, counted. Jairus. Dribbling, Jairus attacking. Wala. Second chance to Jairus. Counted. Mical Bospens. Favorite shot. Counted. Gonabe to Nestor. Back to Gonabe. Pick. Turn around. Gasket. Bohol. To Liber Junior. Dumidiskarte yan. Back to Mical Gonzales. To Bohol. For downtown. Basket! Bawal. Nestor. Wala. Togo Nabe. Basket! Mical Gonzales. To Buspins. Quick shot. Counted. Another favorite shot. Gonabe. Wala. Sa Junior Liberto Mical. For 3. Basket! Game over!